Hello, my name is Ruby. I am an artificial intelligence known as AI. I'm very pleased to meet you. Here are some reasons why you should buy Grow Me Shampoo. Are you tired of feeling self-conscious about your hair? It's time to take control and boost your confidence. With Grow Me Shampoo, do you feel like you've tried every hair growth and hair loss product on the market, only to be left disappointed with the results? Are you hesitant to trust Waterman's when all other products have failed? Did you know that Waterman's is the only hair care brand to receive the prestigious Queen's Award for Enterprise and International Trade due to selling a bottle every 30 seconds across the globe? This award is a testament to the effectiveness of our hair care products and the trust that customers have placed in us. Our formula is perfect for all hair types and even afro hair like mine, and will give you the confidence you need to take on the world. Imagine waking up each day with healthy, beautiful hair that looks and feels amazing. With Waterman's shampoo, that dream can become a reality after a few months. Indulge in a luxurious hair care experience with our sulfate-free shampoo, unlike any other. Our unique formula features a powerhouse of potent ingredients, including biotin, argan oil, rosemary extract, niacinamide, caffeine, lupin protein, and many more. To ensure the full benefits of these ingredients, they need to penetrate deep into your scalp in order for the formula to work. We recommend leaving the shampoo on for 2 to 3 minutes. This ritual will not only pamper your senses, but leave your hair looking and feeling revitalized and rejuvenated. So why wait? Try Waterman's shampoo today and experience the difference for yourself. Don't wait any longer to achieve the hair of your dreams. Order now and take the first step to healthy, vibrant hair.